Maths Learning Centre exists to help all students, no matter what they're studying, to learn and use the maths that they face in their degree. They could be doing engineering, they could be doing vet science, they could be doing medicine, they could be doing maths, they could be doing economics, nursing. No matter what they're studying, if they face anything mathematical, we can talk to them about it and they can use our resources to help them succeed with that.
Maths is nothing to be afraid of. So we actually try and get them to feel comfortable asking questions and feel confident in actually attacking a problem. We actually have a particular emphasis for helping first years or maths for the first time you encounter it in your course.
Students can find that their course can be really focused on a particular outcome. And when they're doing animal science, it's really focused on becoming a vet. Or engineering, it's focused on becoming an engineer or solving the problems they've been asked to solve. And that can usually leave them a bit cold when it comes to the math, especially when it's not a direct part of their course. And so we can help students where the teaching methods are just leaving them out somehow, or they just need a little more to talk to someone about it and find a different explanation. Sometimes there's just not enough time to do that in an ordinary course, and we can give that a little bit extra.
It's really exciting to see students go from that situation where they're a bit fearful of the maths they're needing to do in their course to build up their confidence, talk them through the process of learning the material and get them to start to get excited about the mathematics that they're doing and get them to see that the maths they're doing is actually adding that layer of understanding to the material, whether it be science, whether it be engineering or economics. It's adding that layer of understanding that makes the subject that much more enjoyable.
The tutors are here not to judge you, they're here to help you. And the students that you come up with and the table that you sit at and you meet new people every day, every time you come in, they are friendly. And if you say, I'm stuck at a question, you never know, they might be able to help you before the tutor arrives to your table. So there's never a silly question. It's all about looking at a way to approaching that question and finding a person who's able to help you and you're not embarrassed about it. It all comes with self-confidence.
The students who come in who have poor maths skills, or what we would consider poor maths skills, or students who have absolutely brilliant maths skills and are trying to get that HD, they can get help. So they actually cover this wide gamut or wide range of people, which is phenomenal. So I think I've found them a blessing. They even have programs tailored to my courses, so I can actually go to the students, go look at their website, and there's resources, or they're the maths resources directly related to my course. So instead of students looking at some generic maths resource and not knowing what's going to help them, these guys have already figured out what is going to help them.
When I first became the Maths Learning Centre coordinator, I decided that it wasn't good enough just to help students cope. We wanted to help them enjoy it. So we make big art projects that are mathematically based on fractals or hyperbolic geometry. And we also have puzzle sessions and game sessions outside where people can just turn up and walk past and get involved in the puzzle that we're doing today. You can get involved in without having to worry about failing, because it's all about just having fun.
What we're trying to do with our mathematical art and play is to show some of the beauty behind the mathematics that they're there. So we've actually engaged in public art projects. People can do something quite simple that has an underlying mathematical principle involved in it. They can actually see the beauty that's coming out of it. And you don't have to have a mathematics degree to see beauty in the object that's created.
The real secret to good learning, especially in maths, is to give it a go and to really believe that it's possible to figure it out. Learning is actually not a solitary activity, it's something that you do with people. And so it's all about interacting with someone. I mean, my dream is that all students are able to deal with the maths that they're faced with and actually enjoy it. I want them to give them hope and actually a sense of fun, and in particular I just want them to be confident. And that's my dream, to be able to do that as far-reaching as I can within the university.
I think it's really important that students know that regardless of how silly you think the question is to start off with, we're going to take it seriously. If you've actually plucked up the courage to ask us that question, we're going to try and find a way that's going to explain it to you. There is no such thing as a silly question.